Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to log into Spectrum Router. To log into your Spectrum Router, start by connecting your device to the modem either through Wi-Fi or with an Ethernet cable. Make sure both ends are secure. Next, locate the router's IP address, usually this, along with your default username and password printed on the back of the device or in the manual. Open any web browser, type in the IP address, and you'll be directed to login page. Enter your credentials, typically admin as a username and password as the default key, then press enter. Once inside the admin panel, you have full control over your settings, including changing your Wi-Fi name and password, setting parental controls, and updating firmware, and monitoring your internet usage. It's that simple to take charge of your Spectrum router. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.